Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to study a new English story which is about a father-son duo. Muhammad Qadir was a wonderful cook whose greatest specialty was dal, the urad dal. One day a rich man named Nawab Hassan Ali visits their shop. Sadiq, the son of Muhammad Qadir, was sure that the Nawab will definitely like the dishes cooked by his father and reward them immensely. What happened next? Let's see the video of the story to know more.
Sadiq was sitting in his father's food shop in a small lane of Lucknow, fanning flies away from a tray of biryani. Suddenly, he saw a man in a silk sherwani getting down from a horse. Looks rich. Is he coming to our shop? Sadiq wondered. One of the servants came forward and said grandly, Nawab Hassan Ali has come. I hear you are the famous cook Muhammad Qadir. I like tasting new dishes. What is your specialty? The man said. Dal, replied Qadir. Dal? Only dal? I can make all the usual things, but you asked me what I cook the best. Qadir replied calmly. Fine, I'll taste it. What kind of dal do you make? Urad. Get me some. Let's see what's special about it. I haven't got it now. What? The Nawab was looking angry now. Sadiq realized worriedly. I only make my Shahi dal urad on order, Qadir said. It takes me a day to make it with secret spices. If your honor so wishes, I'll cook it for tomorrow's lunch. All right, I live nearby. You can bring it to my house. I'm sorry, sir, but that is not possible. Nawab Hassan Ali had never met such a rude cook, yet he was amused. What's the problem now? Huzur, to enjoy my dal, you will have to come to my shop to taste it. It spoils if it is taken off the fire. And your honor, once I call, you will have to come immediately. Really? What if I'm late? I'll throw the dal away or feed it to the poor. Nawab Hassan Ali had never seen a cook like Qadir. Ah well, he thought, let's taste his dal first. Call me tomorrow when you are ready. Sadiq sighed with relief that Nawab had not lost his temper and gone away. He knew that Nawabs often gave handsome rewards to cooks if they liked a dish, and his father had nearly spoiled everything. Sadiq was at work early next morning helping his father. With the dal, Qadir made a light cucumber raita, mint chutney, and a dish of cauliflower and potatoes. Once the Nawab sat down to eat, he would serve freshly baked hot tandoori rotis. And for dessert, there were bowls of firni. Sadiq had sneaked a quick taste of the dal when his father wasn't looking. It tasted heavenly. The time was right. Go, call the Nawab's son. I'm ready to serve. Sadiq ran all the way to Nawab's house. At the door, he panted to the servant. I've come to call Nawab Saab to lunch. The dal is ready. Ah, yes, Nawab Saab told me of that. Go up to the roof. He's flying kites there. Sir, the dal is ready. My father is calling you. Hassan Ali looked down at Sadiq and said, Who? Ah, yes, the dal. His friend laughed and said, Forget the dal. Look, your kite is in danger. That green one is about to cut it. Hassan Ali hurriedly pulled his kite away, yelling, "Just you wait, green devil, I'll get you." But Sadiq sadly gave up. Slowly, Sadiq walked home. He noticed that his friend Aman was flying a kite from his rooftop across the lane. Sadiq got an idea. He went up to his friend. He reached the roof to see Aman getting his kite's thread around Nawab's, giving a quick pull and. "Oh no! Your Honor, the food is waiting. The dal is delicious," Sadiq said quickly. "Oh, yes, yes. Now the kite's gone. Let us eat." The Nawab and his friend walked with Sadiq. "They are coming. Is everything ready?" "Of course. What took you so long?" A white cloth was laid out in the best room with the food in the best bowls on it. As they sat down on the carpet, Kadir came in with the dal and Sadiq followed with piping hot rotis, dripping with butter. Nawab Hassan Ali broke a piece of roti as Sadiq watched breathlessly, dipped it in the dal, put it in his mouth, chewed slowly, and then his eyes closed. Ah, Kadir Mia, the Shahi dal urad is of the heavens. I have never tasted such dal before. Even roast chicken pales before this. You deserve a reward. What would you like? For the first time that day, Muhammad Kadir smiled. "I would like a better food shop, Your Honor. In a big market, near the Imambara, maybe." "Done. It should be enough. If not, ask for more. Now give me some more of your Shahi dal and a roti," said Nawab Hassan Ali.
So this was the story of Sadiq and his father. I hope you have enjoyed and understood the lesson. And you might also have got the moral of the story, which is hard work always pays in the long run. Or it may take you a lot of time to learn a new skill. But once you learn it perfectly, it will benefit you in a number of ways. So with this, I end today's English learning lesson. If you have any questions or you have any queries, you can mail me on my email ID, which is ufaq.banday@kashmirharvard.org. I hope to see you in the next video lecture. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.